Alright, problem number 2. So one, the internal mic just will not work. But also when I power them off and power them back on, they both connect to channel 1. So if I turn off one of them, you can see it's on channel 1. If I turn off this one, then it disappears. But if I turn on either one, just connects to channel 1, no onboard audio. If I then, so I'm just switching one on to isolate the problem. It's exactly the same if they're both switched on. I've tried it. So if I then select channel 1, press and hold to unpair, so you can see the light flashed once, but it's still connected, even though here it's unpaired, but it's not really. So if I turn it off, and then so you can see as soon as I turn it off, that starts flashing that it's not connected. As soon as I turn it back on, even though it's unpaired, it just goes right back. Let's try that one more time. So if I try to unpair it, flashes once, and that's it. And if I try to go into here and try to get it to connect to a different channel, I can't, because it's still connected to channel 1, even though I've tried to unpair it. Nothing happens. I've tried multiple different combinations of these steps, and I can't seem to get anything out of it. So now they're both on. They're both paired to channel 1, but because I've unpaired it, it's not showing up on here. But they still think they're paired until I switch this off and then switch this back on. All of this was working beautifully a couple of months ago when I used this last, and now it's gone. So you can see here that you've got signal, but it's going up and down because they're fighting between themselves for the signal. If I turn one of them off, it at least works with an external mic, but then the internal mic's broken. So something very strange is going on with this system. And again, it was working beautifully a couple of months ago. Didn't touch it, just taken it out to take a video. It's stored in this wonderful little case to keep it safe. No idea what's going on.